Hey there guys and welcome back. Today I wanted to talk to you about Pokemon Go. I absolutely love this game and I've been playing it for quite a few months now. I actually tried to find a way to use a spoofer, and the great news I actually found on which allows you to teleport anywhere around the world. You also have the GPS and the joystick for easier navigation. You have auto walk, dark mode, and a bunch of other features. So without wasting any more time, guys, let me show you exactly how you can use this spoofer yourself. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I have the spoofer right here. So let me show you some of the features. So if you go to favorite hotspot, you can choose a place where you can instantly teleport or auto walk. Okay, so we've teleported here. Also, you have the snipe where you can enter the coordinates. Let's see what else. You can choose a random route. You have the settings, which with a bunch of other features, the joystick, the GPS. So the way that you can use this spoofer, guys, is first, if you're on iOS, go to your settings, then go to App Store, scroll all the way down, and make sure that the offload unused apps is turned off. This is key. After you do that, go to Safari, scroll all the way down, and go to Advanced, and you will see here JavaScript. Make sure that it's turned on, guys. Okay, this is very important. And if you're on Android, you don't have to do these steps. Now, what you need to do is open up your browser and type in tweakmate.com. Okay, guys, so tweakmate.com. And once you're here, you can use the search bar, or you can choose here, it's right on top, Pokemon Go mod. Press install, and now it will start installing this spoofer on your iOS or Android. So let's give it a couple of good seconds for this to finish. And I can highly vouch for TweakMate. I've been using TweakMate for a few weeks now, actually. So I could get different apps and different games which are so far not revoked. So including this spoofer, you know, with other sites they might get revoked, but with this one everything is good so far. So I can highly recommend them. Now press allow, close, go back to your settings, then go to general. Okay, VPN and device management, and you will see Pokemon Go mod. Press install. Now type in your passcode. Okay, guys, and voila, that's how you do it. Now you will have the Pokemon Go mod on your home screen. Just open the app and then you will see a list of offers or apps, and you need to follow the instructions correctly for a couple of these offers. They are quite simple and shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. So yeah, make sure you follow the instructions for at least 3 of these apps or offers. And after you do that, guys, restart your phone, and then you should have the Pokemon Go spoofer fully unlocked. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you guys very soon with more banger tutorials.